Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write a Lightning web component in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have VS Code and it should have the Salesforce CLI or the command line. And basically, after that, you will need also to have this extension pack or the Salesforce extension pack. After that, you will need just to go here and just create a project by typing SFDX or Salesforce. And from here, you will be able to create a project. And basically, we need just to type a standard light here and we give it a name. For example, hello world, and we click enter and we choose the placement of the object, create project, and now we have our project that has been created. And basically, now we can find all these components here, like the force ignore and the barrier, and this is our application. And basically, those are our classes or components that we have. And from here, we will need just to create the project, and now we will start to connect with our Salesforce. So basically, this is our terminal, and from here, and now we need to connect our uh, organization or our Salesforce. So go to the palette again, and from there, SFDX, and then authorize an org. And basically, you will need just to use the login URL and enter your login URL then. And after that, you will need just to authorize your Salesforce and then click allow, etc. etc. So for the Lightning Web Component, we will have just the Hello HTML. So basically, here we have the Lightning Web Component. As you can see, we have the JSON and we have etc. And now we need to create our Lightning Web components. So again, we go to the command palette and we need just to create a web component. So here we will choose the create web component. We name it a hello, for example, and we choose the directory and it should be the common directory or the default directory. So from here, we have our lightweight component and basically a light web component. And from here, you can start developing your component. So this is the template or the HTML, which means the view or the interface. This is the Hello.js, which is the logic or the controller for your templates. And of course, those are just some XML for versioning, etc. So basically, this is how you can start for writing your light web component. Thank you for watching and see you next time.